Welcome to Real Talk for Men Relaxation. If something derailed you today, if you're feeling a little off kilter, a little off course, this is for you. This relaxation will help you recenter, stand strong, and get grounded back into your own power. Find a comfortable place to sit, recline, whatever feels good to you. Take this time for yourself. You deserve it. Once you're nice and comfortable, take a deep breath. Then exhale everything that happened today. Let go of all the noise, the pressure, the expectations. Anything that happened, you can leave it in today. Drop it off of you and leave it here. Take another deep breath. Exhale another layer of that, all that crap that happened today, whatever it was. Anything that wasn't awesome, leave it behind. Right now, nothing matters except you. Let's get you back to steady, present, and grounded. Your power is still there. Sometimes we get off-centered, and that's okay. You spend so much time pushing forward, handling what needs to be done, carrying responsibilities that others never even see. But your strength needs to be recharged, and it's not just about being busy all the time. Sometimes stillness is what you need. If you're going to have the ability to stand firm, stay centered, and trust yourself no matter what, sometimes you just need to take a minute and get recentered. That's what this is for. This moment is for you to come back to the very core of who you are. Strong, focused, and unshakable. Let's release some of this. Breathe in deep. Fill your lungs with fresh energy. Exhale slowly this time. Release anything that's left over that isn't serving you, that doesn't help you. Anything that might have been said to you today that's looping in your mind, just drop that. Whatever someone else says isn't necessarily about you. You can let that go. Take another breath. Feel yourself dropping into a place of calm certainty. The world may be fast, chaotic, and uncertain, but at your core, you are steady. You are grounded. You are in control of your response, your emotions, and your presence. Check in with your body from the top of your head down. Notice any tension in your forehead. Notice your jaw. Is it clenched or is it loose? Wiggle your jaw around if you need to. Let it go. Your neck, your shoulders. Let your shoulders soften. Wiggle a little bit if you need to. Move your body. You don't have to be still. This is about letting go, and sometimes we need to move. Any expectation that's stuck in your body right now, you can let it go. Shake it out if you need to. Whatever you need to do to settle into stillness. This is you acknowledging that you deserve to be centered and grounded. You're not running away from anything that happened. You're not reacting to what happened. You're centered, rooted deep in your very presence. Imagine yourself now as a mountain. Strong, solid, unmovable. What mountain do you see yourself as? Let that picture become really clear. Maybe it's somewhere you've been, maybe it's some picture you've seen. But when you think of a mountain, the winds may howl around it, storms may come, rain, snow, but the mountain doesn't shake. It stands firm and certain, no matter what happens around it. This is you. No matter what life throws at you, no matter what distractions or pressures arise, you remain steady. People may rush, react, chase, and freak out, but you can stand strong. You know exactly who you are. Let these words sink deep into your being. If you'd like to repeat them out loud or in your mind, I'll leave space for you to do that. I am centered, calm, and in control. I do not chase. I do not react. I choose my response with clarity and strength. I am rooted in my purpose. I am steady in my mind. I am powerful in my presence. The world does not shake me. I am the foundation upon which I stand. I trust myself completely, and that trust makes me unshakable. Let that settle into you. Take another deep breath. Breathe all of that into you, that knowing of your power. Now imagine standing even a little taller. Your body is lighter, stronger, your mind clearer than before. You are centered, focused, and unshaken by any outside noise. When you rise from this moment, you will move differently. You will carry yourself with quiet confidence, presence, and unshakable certainty. Because you're not reacting to your life. You are mastering it and responding to it from a centered, grounded place. Rest in this moment a little longer. Breathe your energy and your emotions and any feelings that you have down deep into your belly, down into the center. Pull everything there and feel that power right in your core. Stay here until you feel that power. When you're ready, open your eyes, connect to the space around you, and step forward as the man who's truly centered in his power.